10 shoes here. 10 pairs of shoes. Yeah. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe. We have a fun quarantine haul in today's video, so stay tuned. You know, say what you want to say about hauls and shopping during all of this time. I just want to make a couple of things clear. First of all, I budget for my shopping in, you know, my monthly budgets. Second of all, you know, I shop to help myself feel a little bit better. I know it's not a good habit. It's something that the Lord is working within me, and I've gotten a lot better. Trust me. Had this been 5 years ago, we would be sitting in a mountain of accessories, shoes, and makeup. But today we're only sitting on a little tiny hill. Not even a hill, just a small little, smaller than a hill. Thirdly, all of the stuff that I bought, with the exclusion of some things that I picked up at Walmart, but all of the stuff that I bought was on sale, ridiculously marked down, bargain, steals, big deals, huge discounts. So cha-ching, cha-ching, money was saved here. With that said, let's get into the haul, because there's a lot. There is a lot. The first thing I binged into was Sephora. Sephora had their insider sale at the beginning of quarantine. I went a little bit heavy because I had been waiting for the Sephora sale, and I was at home sulking because I had to cancel my Europe trip. So the first thing I got was this Pharmacy Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I introduced the double cleanse into my skincare routine with this little guy. I like it. It does a really good job. Great ingredients. My only issue with it so far is that it does leave a hint of a scent if you don't get it all off of your face, and sometimes it drips down your neck. And so the scent that it leaves behind, it's a natural botanical scent, but it is not favorable for me. And so that's my only thing. Will I continue to use this? Will I buy this again? Yes, because I liked it. The other thing I got from the Sephora sale was this Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. In the last video, I believe the last video that I uploaded, I did a little Sephora haul, literally a mini haul, because all I bought were like minis. And I tried out a Supergoop SPF set. Loved all of the things, so I went ahead and I bought the full size of the Unseen Sunscreen. I use this every single day. I like it. Are there better ones out in the market right now? Yes, and I'm going to try those out after I finish this little guy here. I also picked up my very first, believe it or not, beauty blender. You've all seen a beauty blender before. This is a little travel kit, which I thought was perfect because I'm obviously doing so much traveling, as you can tell, in my life at the moment. No, but obviously this will serve a really good purpose later when I can travel. It's cute. It came with the sponge and a little solid cleaner, so it was a great deal. Loved it. The other Sephora thing I got, oh my gosh, my very first Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. I have been dying to get my hands on one. Every single time I went into a Sephora or Nordstrom or whatever and I saw Charlotte Tilbury, I was like, I just want a lipstick so badly. So I got Pillow Talk in 2 medium. It is such a gorgeous color. I have not worn it yet because how am I supposed to wear this beautiful lipstick when I'm wearing a mask? It doesn't do it justice. So I'm waiting until I can use this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick because it is gorgeous. It is a perfect shade for me. I am profoundly looking forward to wearing this and trying out more Charlotte Tilbury because I'm obsessed with her line. The other thing I got from Sephora is the Mercury Retrograde. Should I move this out of the way? Huda palette. Can I also just say that this is a symbolic piece for me to get, because all of my life, because I'm so old, I have been wanting a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, but obviously they're crazy expensive. But this year I had a goal of buying this. I know it's a little ridiculous, but that's how I am. And when everything turned upside down, I was like, you know what, Martha, go ahead and buy it because you deserve it. This is a symbolic piece for me. It means a lot, not only because I wanted it, but I rewarded myself with this for putting up with so much stuff that has happened in the past few months. So going back to this Mercury retrograde palette, again, this was on sale. I got it for $40. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Do I believe in the Mercury retrograde stuff? Not necessarily. But this is still a gorgeous palette, and I really wanted to try out this Huda Beauty stuff. This is my first Huda Beauty product, and I like it. So the reason I bought this was because I really wanted to get into more colorful looks, pastels, rainbows, all of that. So you will be seeing more of that on my channel, less of these neutral browns that I'm so done with. Pretty much everything I got from Sephora, I believe. Oh, and with other skincare stuff, I got this Versed Found the Light Powder Vitamin C. I introduced vitamin C at the start of quarantine. Again, I picked that up in my Sephora mini haul video. So I'm kind of on a vitamin C kick right now, trying out and buying new ones. So I added this one, and I'm looking at more vitamin C's. So let me know if you guys use vitamin C. Next, we're gonna move to Walmart. Surprisingly, I was getting some groceries at Walmart, and I noticed that they had some cute accessories, and I was like, what? Walmart coming through with some cute accessories? Since when? So I got these pearl earrings. They're like $2.88. Like what? $2? $3 for some cute, like very minimalistic earrings. Totally my style. And then these other ones with like little crystal beads in them. Again, $2.88. Like, since when, Walmart? Like, who gave you permission? And then I also got this like hair tie scrunchie thing. This fabric, I was like, sophistication, vibes, tropical, Florida, black, the tones. I mean, this is everything for like $4. I've already worn it like 5 million times, and I'm obsessed. Like, I want more, but like this one. So yeah, that's what I got at Walmart. Can you believe it? I know, I can't either. Sticking with accessories, at Kohl's I got more accessories. So from Lauren Conrad, I like Lauren Conrad's Kohl's line. This is on clearance, but then there was like an additional like 60% off. So I literally got this for like $1 or $2. I got these little bees, which are so cute. Reminds me of the song Honey Bee. These little cuffs, like, hello, rose gold little cuffs for, again, like $1. Literally, it came down to like $1 after the sale. And I got this bracelet, which I do not wear bracelets ever, period, because look at my wrist. It is small. Like, it is small. But this bracelet, I was like, I think it'll fit me, and it's very cute. It's rose gold. And again, came down to like dollars and cents. So I got all of these for like less than $5. That was cool. Also from Kohl's and Lauren Conrad's line are these sandals. If you know me, I wear sandals like this all of the time. Everywhere I go, I wear sandals like this. These are just the staple Florida sandals, in my opinion. Yeah, these came out for like $6, which I was like, dang, what a steal. And then I got this cute top, which I'm obsessed with. You'll see me wearing this in one of the next videos for sure. The color, the fabric, the flare. Hello, this is just screaming vacation. I'm ready. Where are you? This is from 9 West, and it was on clearance, and then I got like an additional discount, so it came out to like $12, and I was like, yes. So that's everything I got at Kohl's. Now, where the real damage is at, guys. You aren't ready for this. One second. It's a lot of shoes. 10 shoes here. 10 pairs of shoes. Yeah. I can feel you judging me. I can. Trust me, I can. Okay, so here's something you need to know about me. I'm not a shoe person. I don't really buy shoes. The last time I bought a couple of shoes was a while ago. I needed some new shoes. Not that I'm going anywhere at the moment, but I did need some new shoes. Some new nude shoes, some new black shoes, some new black sandals, some new heels. Because all of the ones I have were old and not looking great, and I was done with them. So the other day my sister tells me how there was a huge sale on DSW. She got shoes for $5, $6, $7. She's like, Martha, you need to check it out. I check it out. I ended up ordering 8 pairs of shoes, you guys. Just 8 pairs. I know. They send me an email and they're like, actually, one of them, we can't send it to you. Cool. So now I have 7 shoes that I am expecting in the mail. How did I end up with 10, you may ask? I don't know. I don't know. I do know, but we'll get to that. Basically, 3 of the shoes that I ordered, they sent duplicates. So I got the shoe that I ordered, but then they sent another one of the same one 3 times. And I was like, why? And just to be honest, let me check my email right now. Nothing. I emailed them and I let them know, like, hey, like, you accidentally sent me 3 pairs of shoes that I did not order. What do you want me to do? They haven't responded. Hopefully it's just a blessing from God and I got 3 extra pairs of shoes. We'll see. So I ended up with all of these shoes. They cost less. They cost so cheap, you guys. It was such a great sale. DSW came through. So first up, we got some Vince Camuto, however you want to say it. These are just some plain nudes. I needed some new ones. Mine were looking horrific. And I like this brand. I already wore them to church the other day. Up next, we have some Jessica Simpsons. Hello. These are gorgeous. These are the JP Manzi in the color Blush. Joey Goat. I don't know what that means. I love this style of shoe. I currently own a pair in black, and I had previously owned another pair of black. This is my 3rd pair. I love these shoes. These are so comfortable. I like this style. I know it's ballet. Am I a ballerina? Absolutely not. Was it my dream as a child? Yes, it was. Was my dream crush? Absolutely it was. But yeah, I love these shoes so much, and they were such a great deal. They were on clearance, and these are a shoe that I would pay whatever it would cost regardless. But since they were on sale, I was like, yes, add to cart. And then DSW sent me a double of them. So, and they also, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, they also sent me 2 of these. So, you know, that's fine. Next, we have a pair from One State. Look at these sandals, you guys. They're so cute. They're my style. I like them. My sister was not a fan of them, but I think these are really cute. I love this color, like this blushy rose. And I'm also obsessed with bows. That's like my signature, a bow. I love bows. I need a new sandal anyways. There you go. 10/10 would recommend. You guys, I feel old. I am having a quarter life crisis. A lot of people just exited out of this video because I offended them, but I'm not old, but I kind of am. Especially for the fact that I just bought my first pair of Dr. Scholl's. I bought my first pair of Dr. Scholl's. They're heels, so, you know, I'm a little viejita, if you will. But these are cute. These are adorable, and they're comfortable. They're not like those clunky heels you get at Target or Forever 21. Like, these are actually gonna help your back support. Look at me, like I know what I'm talking about. And these cost $7, you guys. $7. 7. Like, hello. These are also another pair that they sent 2 of them. I don't know why. But yeah, love these. So cute. I've never owned I've never owned this kind of style. I also don't really wear heels, but I did need some because there's some outfits, you know, where you need heels, and I'm typically just a flat girl. I like to wear flats everywhere, all the time, no matter when. I needed some heels, so I got those. We have these from Mix number 6. They're a little dusty. Hello, she said she needed some heels. Here you go, honey. These are pointy. I don't usually go for the pointy style, but you know, I might need to soon. I don't know why, but these were a nice professional, classy, I'm going on a business meeting, make a little negotiation moment for me. And again, great deal that I got these at. Okay. Another viejita moment. I got some Clarks. This is Collection by Clarks. I've owned a pair of Clarks before. These sandals, super comfortable, super ugly. I would never wear them outside of my house because they were that hideous, but they were so comfortable. So when I saw these on the website, I was like, I need to get them because I had been wanting to get a pair of sandals like this for a while, but I'm not going to buy them at H&M. I'm not going to buy them at Forever 21 because, like we already established, those are not good for your back support. But look at these. I know they're a little viejita moment. Like, if you don't know me, I'm a viejita inside. So these are Clarks. They're black. They have a little tiny, like 2-inch, 1.5-inch heel, and they're just sleek. I'm going out to brunch. I don't know when, but I'm going out to brunch, and I'm not gonna wear flip-flops because ew, but I'm also not gonna wear like sneakers or high heels because that's not the moment, you know. This is what these sandals are for. Again, great deal. Last but not least, these literally just got here today, hace un ratito, and oh my gosh, I think they're my favorite. I don't know when I'll ever wear them, but another pair of black heels. Whoops. I mean, hello, Miss Audrey Hepburn. Yes. How are you? Look at these and the bow. I told you guys, I'm obsessed with bows. I like this, like, cover up section. I like these. This is a great heel. This is, I'm going to a quinceañera. I'm going to a little boda. Not that I am or whatever, but this is a heel I'm wearing for that occasion. What can I say, you guys? I don't know how this happened. Honestly, send help. My bank account is telling you guys to send help right now. I hope you guys are not judging me right now because I see you over there with your cart full, just waiting to hit that pay button. Let me move this because I need to talk to you guys. Hi. Yeah, again, I just want to reiterate that all of the stuff that I bought, I didn't just buy in one day. It's been stuff that I bought within the past few months that I've been here at home, and it was all ridiculously priced, on sale, clearance, huge deals. I'm not gonna feel bad, so you shouldn't either. You know, if you buy something and that helps you feel a little bit better during this whole situation, then there's nothing wrong with that, you know, and that's okay. And if you have the means to do it, then go ahead. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys again really soon. Bye!